in a very chatty mood this afternoon, so I thought might as well talk and make dinner. I usually put my little oven tray in the oven to heat up before I put my chopped vegetables on it. It just cooks my potatoes faster. That's it. I'm just gonna chop these potatoes. The recent video that I posted on TikTok is a HelloFresh recipe. I can make a Bible from all of the recipes that we have from HelloFresh. So many. So that's basically where I get my recipes from. I don't want to cook just 5 things over and over in my life. I want to learn. So another thing that HelloFresh has taught me, no, this video isn't sponsored by HelloFresh, is that you really don't need that much to make a meal. So for 2 people, 2 potatoes, which when you look at this, you're like, that's a whole bowl of chips. I could eat that right now. But it just helps you to, you know, plan your portions a lot better and blah, blah, blah. Pop that on there. I've only recently started measuring my oil in the cap because if I don't do that, I go way overboard. Garlic and herb sea salt on my potatoes. And I'm also gonna put some black pepper on here. Yum! Can you guys see the coffee machine? We got a coffee machine this weekend. Oh, it was like the most exciting thing to ever happen. We weren't planning on it, but it was a Black Friday sale, and you know what? You just gotta do what you gotta do when it comes to those sales. Guys, you're probably gonna see a lot of TikTok videos of me using that machine, so brace yourselves. Okay, potatoes are ready. I'm baking at 250 for maybe 20 minutes. Depends how I feel. Okay, season. This smells like cinnamon. It's called mixed spice. And I wouldn't pick this up and be like, yep, I'm putting that on my chicken. But I really loved a HelloFresh meal, and the seasoning on the chicken was like nothing I've ever tasted before. So I really wanted to recreate the spices, but the spices come in those little packages that you can't really buy at a supermarket. So I did a bit of research to find out what is in that spice blend, and the biggest ingredient was mixed spice. It smells like cinnamon, and it just puts me off completely. Like, I do not want this near my chicken, but it actually tastes incredible when you like barbecue it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that. Paprika. And some olive oil. Okay, that looks good. And now I'm just gonna let this chill for a bit. And then I'm just gonna start chopping up my salad ingredients. I like easy meals. I like to make meals that there's not too much going on, but it's exciting. Do you know what I mean? Go with that. Tomato. Really. I also just want to say that I'm not perfect at making meals every day. I think I started making those videos on TikTok because it kind of keeps me accountable. When it's a hard day at work, I'm not someone that's like, oh yeah, I want to spend 2 hours tonight and cook. I don't think anyone is, but I really want to get better at cooking, and I really want to, you know, take that seriously. And so that's why I posted that video. But also I just want you to know that I'm not perfect when it comes to making food at home all the time. Not every week is perfect. Some weeks are really difficult mentally, or you know, things change during a week a lot, or something could come up where you're spending maybe a lot of time at a hospital or with a friend on the phone and you just don't have time to cook, or you know, little things like that. I'm not the best at eating healthy all the time, and I think that's fine. It's normal. But I would hate for anyone, that's it. I would hate for anyone to compare themselves to me be like, oh, Danicka only cooks her food at home. No, I don't. Oh, Danicka never eats out at Macca's or never gets takeaway. I do. More than I should. So never ever feel, you know, yeah, never compare yourself to my lifestyle. Oh my goodness, I would hate that. I would hate it so much. Because I've been there where I've looked up to someone online and then I'm like, oh, I'd hate myself for wanting to indulge in something, and I'm like, that person that I really admire or look up to would never do this. That's a lie. You don't know their lives behind, you know, behind the screens and things like that. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. I'm just going to turn the oven down to 200 because I don't want my potatoes to burn. I'm going to cut up an avocado. Oh. Salad is made. That looks incredible. And now we're moving on to chicken. I'll bring you over this side. We bought a new wok this weekend. This is $90, and with the Black Friday sale we got it for $27. The best thing that's ever happened to me is this wok. So I'm going to give it a go. This is just normal natural Greek yogurt, and it is 125 grams, and I just empty that out into a ceramican, and then just a drizzle or more Kewpie mayo. I like to add some dill. Slide it in there without chopping your fingers. And dinner's ready. I just want to taste this quickly. That chicken. It's great. Hope you guys like this video. Love you. See you again soon. Bye.